In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can back up your save data here on a PS5. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, from the PS5 home screen, you need to go up and make your way over to the settings tab, just like so. Select that and then scroll down on here, and what you're looking for is your save data and game app settings. So scroll down, select that. Once you're in here, you need to go ahead and open up the save data tab, and you're going to see like upload or delete from console storage or download and delete from cloud storage. If you're using cloud storage, you will go ahead and use this. Just keep in mind you do need PlayStation Plus for that. If not, open up the other option just like so. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this, where you just need to go ahead and select whatever it is that you're trying to go ahead and delete, for example, and hit delete. But for a local backup, say you're not using cloud storage, right, you can just back out of this section and then go ahead and find system on this tab. So scroll up a little bit, you'll see system. Go ahead and select that, and then from here, find backup and restore right here. Select that, hit backup your PS5, and make sure that you have like a USB drive, a hard drive, or an SSD connected to your PS5 before starting. So once again, you can either use PlayStation Plus cloud saves or just back everything up locally with a USB drive. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.